we're going on a hike. The first one of many this summer because we got a lot of time, right? So today we're going for this one. It's called Kringstadnakken. It's 2.7 kilometers out and 2.7 back, so we'll be out there for a while. This is one of the first times since the beginning where you can look out on the fjord. The birds are chirping. It's officially spring. Welcome to nature.
How neat is that?
That's pretty neat. Not so neat. No, wrong video, sorry. We're halfway, roundabout. It's still pretty neat. We're almost there, at least I assume so. And I just spotted this. I don't know why it's there. I don't know if you can see that even. And that's the way to go. This bird is whispering me that the viewpoint is that way. So we'll go that way. And there's a swing over there. To end the day, this is the sunset on the beach. If you PayPal me 50 euros, I'm gonna jump off that plank. So this is the trail for our second hike of the week. We're going up there, I think. And well, this is where we start. First we walked the wrong way and now we got past this gate. And now there's this. I don't know if we just entered some Hunger Games hunting arena or whatever, but if you find this phone and you listen to this message and this is the last thing you see, please investigate. The way we originally thought was wrong was actually right. So we switched to the wrong direction and now we gotta walk back and get back on the trail where we first were. Thankfully there's a rope here so I can pull myself up this mountain. But actually it's not that steep. So let's just walk. Okay, so there were a couple more ropes and not gonna lie, this is pretty steep. But let me show you one trick how to make this look even more steep than it actually is, alright? So this is a normal camera lens. Now I'm gonna show you the same thing just with the GoPro and you'll see it looks a lot more steep because of the fisheye lens. That's how those hiking YouTubers trick you. You could be like on a bike going down here and you got this camera going on. People are gonna think you're straight up insane. I mean, okay, to be fair, going down here on a bike would be pretty insane. But it looks worse than it is. Okay, we finally reached the top. I don't know if you can see the view, but it's beautiful. And well, feels like I'm on top of the wall. It's just maybe that mountain is a little higher, just a little. And that one, I guess. And that one is a little higher too. But then after that one, we're on top of the wall right now. And as is tradition, I'm gonna add one of those stones to this pile of stones. Without breaking it, of course. Hike number 2. It's done. Listen to this bird. He's so small, but so loud. He's beautiful. Maybe you can identify him. I have no idea about birds.